Hello dear students, today we are solving the AP statistics question paper. Okay, and here are the formulas have been given, so we'll directly jump into the question. So let's see what the first question has to offer to us. So they have given that as a part of the study of the chemistry in Alaskan streams, this is the research 8 degrees centigrade and the sample data the researchers conducted. So this is a frequency and this is the oxygen concentration. It is based on the histogram, the distribution of the dissolved on the oxygen streams of this. So it's a very direct structure. So here we have a basic histogram and of dissolved oxygen concentration in the Alaskan stream, so which is bad, very bad, and water temperature colder than 8 degrees centigrade. And unimodal, this is a unimodal single mode and skewed left skewed with median between 11 and 12. Okay, so the first quartile is in between 10 to 11, Q1 is between 10 to 11. Okay, and Q3 is between 12 to 13. So IQR is approximately 2. So there do not appear to be any high outliers, but there are several potential low outliers. So outliers means which is actually outside of the given structure. If the values are like 4, 5, 6 and 24, so this is considered as an outlier. Okay, outlier may be, if all values are large, a smaller value will also be an outlier. So here 2 to 3, because the values 2 to 3 and then 4 to 5 and 5 to 6 pins are all certainly more than the 1.5 IQR, and that is below the first quartile. So here you can talk about the shape as well. So here a range will be minimum of 10, max is 12. IQR is 1.5 and 2.5, and standard deviation will be 1.7 and 1.8. Now this you can calculate by directly. So unusual features is that the component 5 in this kind of structures in real life also we can see it in this way. Okay, let's go to the next one. Response to this page. Minimum 2.1 Q1, Q2, Q3 standard deviation. This is all done. So the researchers in question number B, the researchers computed that the summary statistics of this thing, use the summary of this thing, indicate outliers. So here it starts with this. Let me just do it with this. Goes and 4.5 somewhere between this 4 and 5, and we will draw it till 6.5. This is the zone, this is the middlemost line. To 13.5. So dissolved oxygen in this case warmer than 8 degrees centigrade they have given. Starts with temperature this, so directly we can draw it in this way. So this is our box plot. Now we proceed to the next question. Now we proceed to the next question. The researcher believed that the streams with higher dissolved oxygen concentration are generally healthier with wildlife, and which is generally healthier wildlife, these are the temperature colder than 8 degrees centigrade. Okay, so using this characteristics of the distribution of the dissolved oxygen concentration colder than 8 degree, the characteristic distribution of the dissolved oxygen concentration is warmer. So justify your answer. So here remember that if the researchers believe is correct, so the streams with water temperature colder than less than 8 degrees centigrade, they have a healthier life. So the distribution of dissolved oxygen concentration for colder streams has a higher center, because of the median value, because the median is 11 to 12, and larger median were warmer, that is 5.43. So the shape of the distribution of the dissolved oxygen concentration for colder streams is different from the shape of distribution for the warmer. So colder not equal to warmer distribution. So both distributions have a similar spread because they have the similar IQR values, approximately 2 mg per L, and the colder streams have 1.73 mg per liter. So for the warmer streams. So this is the scenario of this question. The next video will solve from 2.